Hi, I'm Stu. Welcome back to another video tutorial, and today we're going to learn about free auto captions. Let me show you how to get auto captions into your video using CapCut. So tap on New Project, select your video. Hi, I'm Stu. Tap the little circle top right, tutorial. Tap Add, and then from there you want to go to Text. You then want to go to Auto Captions. You want to use the original sound and select language, which will be English, but you do have other options, which is really good. Click Continue. Captions have been applied, and all you've got to do now is go through and check them. Hi, I'm Stu. Welcome back to another video tutorial, and today we're going to learn about free auto captions. So the first thing I can see is spelt Stu wrong, so we can go in and change that. That looks pretty good. A bit we don't want, so tap in, move along. This is where my Scottish accent fails me, and that's it, we're done. So we can chop off the ending, don't need that. If you want to, you can highlight the caption, tap on style. For example, I could switch to Barlow, which I quite like. And you can also change the background options. For example, we could have black on white or white with black text. And I think we'll go with black on white. That looks pretty good. You can control the spacing, stroke edge, the background, and also make it italic if you want. Tap OK. Just give it one more run through. Hi, I'm Stu. Welcome back to another video tutorial, and today we're going to learn about free auto captions. Now you can also change positioning and all sorts of other things that you can do with captions, which is really cool. So I'm going to go in, I'm going to make it 4K, drop it down to 24 because that's what it was. Doesn't need to be HDR. Then tap, and we're going to export it. And that's it done. Like, subscribe, and get notified, and I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.